Good morning sa inyo lahat and welcome to Engagement. Dito sa Engagement, kung ano ang maganda na gagawin. Okay guys, please watch this.
Welcome to the Lucky Me Noodle Factory. My name is Lucky M, and I will be your special friend today for this tour. First, let me tell you about myself. I like to sing, dance, and play. And I mean active play and not gadget play, so I can always be in tip-top shape. Do you know what my favorite colors are? Yellow and red. Can you guess my favorite food? It's Lucky Me Noodles. And yes, I was named after Lucky Me because I love all things Lucky Me. Have you seen this? That's the Lucky Me logo. The waft represents the freshly cooked smell of Lucky Me, and the red oval shape symbolizes the warm embrace of family and friends. Lucky Me is all about bonding with loved ones over our favorite noodles. Remember these fun facts next time you see the Lucky Me logo. Do you know who our biggest inspiration is? It's you! 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 All of you! Thanks to you, Lucky Me is the #1 instant noodle brand in the Philippines. So we promise to always make Lucky Me even more enjoyable for all. Ideas based on how Filipinos eat their favorite pancit, like adding calamansi. And that is how your favorite Lucky Me Pancit Canton Calamansi was created. And we know a lot of people love spicy food. So we now have a whole line of spicy Lucky Me noodles, so you get to choose the spice level that you want. If one pack of Lucky Me Pancit Canton is not enough, then two might be too much. Don't worry. We give you the Lucky Me Pancit Canton Kasalo. Now, for those who enjoy their noodles with a twist, Lucky Me Panpan, Pancit Canton, and Pandesal Campo is the way to go. Yum! And to make your noodle more yummy, try it with egg. It's healthier too. From local favorites to international, we try to give you Lucky Me with these products. Lucky Me's top priority is to make sure all noodles are not only delicious, but overall safe and high quality. All our products are FDA approved, meaning they are guaranteed safe for you to eat. And because you are always special, we make sure our noodles are made with tender loving care. Lucky Me uses only high-quality ingredients that go through a very strict production process that will surely guarantee a safe and healthy tummy. It's certified NOVA too, which means no preservatives added. A fun fact you can find in our packs. We've also added vitamins to Lucky Me to help you stay healthy. Did you know that the wheat in Lucky Me is a good source of carbohydrates? They are our body's source of energy. We should use this energy and engage in active play so we can be stronger and healthier. Do you know what I love the most aside from eating? Eating with my family. I love my family. Did you know that Kids who regularly eat dinner with their family are more likely to do well in school. Isn't that cool? They also grow up happier and healthier, just like me. With this in mind, KPM, Kainang Pamilya Mahalaga Advocacy was born. KPM encourages parents and kids to regularly eat dinner together, to stay happy together. So kids, if you go home later, start this family eating habit, okay? Tell mommy and daddy, kain naman tayo. Guys, kain ng pamilya ay mahalaga. I am Lucky, wishing you all happy New Year!